Once upon a time, the Babycook by Beaba was designed. From its launch in 1989, Babycook has made it simple for parents to defrost, blend, steam, cook and reheat to make healthy and nutritional meals for baby. After blending hundreds of stewed fruit and preparing thousands of soups, the Babycook gets a fresh new look. Since 1989, the needs of modern mothers and the whole family have changed. In order to satisfy those ever-changing needs, Beaba continues to improve the Babycook and unveils a new design with a larger capacity. And that's not all. You now have a choice with the launch of the Babycook Duo, which makes twice as many healthy and nutritional meals. Two graduated bowls with a capacity of 1,100 milliliters allow you to prepare sweet and savory meals at the same time. Thanks to the easy clip opening and closing system, you will always have your hands free. Blending control ensures food is the perfect texture to suit every weaning stage. It's a versatile and efficient 4-in-1 appliance which prepares delicious steam-cooked meals for baby in less than 15 minutes. The large capacity makes it easy to prepare nutritious meals in advance for the whole family. Comes complete with recipe book. You can prepare a sweet and savory meal in less than 20 minutes. Prepare a full meal in no time to treat the whole family. Babycook has been mother's best friend for over 20 years. Beaba, creator of good ideas.